Yeah, I didn't know there was such a thing as illuminatus. Found out pretty quick that it's a disease and there's no cure, only treatment, which is more aluminum.
I got an iPad and I'm flipping through Facebook and I found this little link to a rally that was happening. I thought, well, that's interesting. Let me see where that is. And I looked it up, and it turns out it was in Floyd, Virginia, which is 45 minutes from my house. It is an all Airstream Club, Highland Haven. I had no idea the place even existed, and they're having a rally next week, and I thought, wouldn't that be cool to go do it?